Hi, I'm Grace. Today I will teach you how to install BONOSS wheel spacer on Audi Q7. Let's get it. Before installation, we need to prepare the jack, tripod, rust remover, towel, sandpaper, torque wrench, BONOSS forged lightweight plus wheel spacers, and BONOSS forged grade 12.9 bolts. Remember to place a tripod to ensure safety. It is very important. Firstly, remove the original car nut. Spray the shaft hand with rust remover. Rust remover is to make the wheel spacer more fit. This is a BONOSS forged lightweight plus wheel spacer. The design of hub century can avoid the vehicle vibration. Install BONOSS wheel spacer. See? No gap! No gap! Install valve. This is a BONOSS forged grade 12.9 bolt. Its material is SCM440. It has the BONOSS logo. Let's see the difference. The appearance of the car looks better. Have you learned? If you want to know more about BONOSS wheel spacer, welcome to subscribe my channel. See you next time.